A serious data breach is making headlines this week as hackers claim to have infiltrated the Federal Bureau of Prisons, stealing over 320 gigabytes of highly sensitive data. If the claims are true, this would be one of the most impactful cyber attacks on a U.S. law enforcement agency in recent years. This video is sponsored by Stonefly. More on that at the end of the video. The announcement appeared on a major data leak forum, where attackers claimed the stolen data was pulled directly from a BOP server as recently as June 20th. The compromised information reportedly spans multiple internal databases and includes extremely personal details on both inmates and prison employees. What kind of data are we talking about? The hackers say they have full names, registration numbers, social security numbers, medical details, risk assessments, incident reports, and even release plans. For the approximately 160,000 inmates across 120 federal facilities, this is far more than just a breach of privacy. It's a potential safety risk. The Federal Bureau of Prisons, which employs over 35,000 people, is the agency responsible for managing the federal prison system in the United States. And while the BOP has acknowledged the claims and confirmed it's investigating the matter, the full extent of the breach remains unclear. Officials have not yet disclosed how many individuals may be affected or what systems were compromised. The potential fallout from this is enormous. If inmate data falls into the wrong hands, it could expose individuals to retaliation, harassment, or extortion. Inmates with known enemies or gang affiliations could be put at serious risk. On the other hand, leaked information on staff, including their identities, roles, and potentially even home addresses, could make them targets for revenge attacks or identity theft. Data like this doesn't just disappear quietly. It circulates in criminal markets, gets repurposed for phishing schemes, identity fraud, and more. There's also the issue of national security. Breaches of federal law enforcement systems, especially those dealing with incarceration, hint at deeper vulnerabilities that could be exploited again. This isn't the first time a U.S. government agency has been breached, but it could be among the most dangerous in terms of human impact. Not just reputational damage, but real-world threats to both inmates and employees. As of now, the Bureau of Prisons is urging caution and continuing its investigation. But if even part of the attacker's claims are verified, this incident could trigger major reforms in how federal systems are secured, especially in sectors like corrections, where outdated infrastructure is often the norm. We'll continue following this story as it develops. For now, this breach serves as yet another warning. No system is off limits to modern cybercriminals, especially not those holding the personal and legal details of thousands of Americans. And now a word from our sponsor. Get a 300 terabytes Veeam, Rubrik, Commvault, HYCU, immutable, and air-gapped backup and disaster recovery appliance for $17,995. Contact sales at stonefly.com for details. Subscribe for more cybersecurity news, and don't forget to like this video. Until next time.